Hi everyone, let's start pakawing with the pakao. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of Everest chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, some salt to taste, and juice of 1 lemon. Now mix everything well. We will need a paste kind of a consistency for this. To this we will add chicken pieces. I have made cuts on the chicken so that the marination goes well in it. You can mix either with a spoon or with hands. Make sure to coat the chicken well. Now we will add 1 egg. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Coat the chicken well. Once it is marinated well, cover it with a lid, and you need to refrigerate the same for at least 4 to 5 hours to get best results. Let's wait for 4 to 5 hours now. Now in a bowl, add half cup of corn flour or all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of mixed herbs, which is optional. If you don't have it, it's okay. Half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now the best part is mix well. The frying part. After 5 hours, remove the chicken. In a pan, add 10 tablespoons of oil and preheat for a couple of minutes. Now add the marinated chicken in the flour. Make sure you cover the chicken well with the flour to get crispy results. Now it's time to fry. Fry each side for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame so that the chicken is cooked well. Wait. The chicken is ready to serve hot. Yay! Thank you for watching.